Data is an individual piece of factual information recorded. Data used for the purpose of analysis. Raw information is from statistic created. Statistic is the result of data analysis, interpretation, and presentation. Some quantitative provide understanding of data meaning. Data set is collected through primary and secondary resources. Could be divided into two major groups, which is qualitative data, is information can't be measured, and quantitative data, information that can be measured. Data set can be categorized as ungrouped data or individual data points and group data intervals.
Data set we have 160 observations. By following instruction, we select 60 samples out of 91 as our group matrix number. Last two digits, the biggest one is 91. This is the list of data after the randomized using IBM SPSS. We choose price and weight as our variable for this report.
For size class, we use the formula 2 power of k greater than n, 2 power of 6 equal to 64, larger than n equal to 60. Mean for price is 184.64, weight is 196.78. Median for price is 134.52, while weight is 166.83. Mode for price is 80.68, while weight is 109.5. The first quartile for price is 64.991, while weight is 79.706. The third quartile of price is 278.703, while weight is 269.003. The interquartile for price is 213.702, while weight is 189.297. Sample variance for price is 22,362.34, while the sample standard deviation is 149.54. The shape of distribution for both price and weight are the same, skewed to the right. For graph, we draw it by hand. We plotted price with frequency polygon and weight with ogive.
Hi, good morning, madam. My name is Yakutan with matrix number A20, A20, and 5. Now I'm going to present about numerical descriptive measure. In this part, we do the question 3 and 4. For question 3 and 4, we using manually to calculate mean, median, mode, first quartile, third quartile, variance, and standard deviation. So for question 5, we do the same step by using SPSS. The difference of mean by using SPSS and manually is 11.218. The difference between median by using SPSS and manually is 6.015. The difference between mode by using SPSS and manually is 78.98. Next, for drawing the graph for frequency polygon for dependent variable, which is price, we use frequency polygon to draw. As comparison with frequency polygon, graph that calculate by manually, both are show increase and decrease trend. Next is ogive graph. The left hand side is drawn by manually and the right hand side is drawn by using SPSS. As comparison with ogive graph that calculate by manually, both are show the increased trends.
Hello, my name is Jeff Ling Wilson and my normal matrix is A20A1379. I will present the 5.2 hypothesis testing. First is t-test. Step 1 is hypothesis H0 equal to mu is price. H1 equal to mu1 is bigger than price. Step 2, significance level. A equal to 0.05. Step 3, test statistic SPSS output. Step 4, decision rule. Reject H0 if Z bigger than Z alpha. Critical region Z 0.05 equal to 1.645. And then step 5 is making decision and from a conclusion. Sin z less than z alpha is negative 9.863 less than 1.645. Fail to reject H0 and calculate that mean is more than price. Next, ANOVA. Step 1 hypothesis. H0 equal to mu is price equal to weight and lag 2. H1, the treatment means are not the same. Step 2, significance level is equal to 0.05. Step 3, test statistic. Step 4, decision rule. F bigger than F alpha, V1, V2. Critical region F bigger than F 0.05, 44.15 equal to 1.84539. Step 5 decision or conclusion. Reject H0 sin F bigger than F 0.05 or 44.15 is 35.579 bigger than 1.84539. Therefore, there is a significant difference among the treatments. Lastly, normality. The Shapiro-Wills test of normality on the residuals give a p-value of 0.054, which is more than 0.05. Thus, the assumption of normality of the term of the residue is met.
Hi everyone, my name is Janet Teresa, daughter of Paul Subramaniam, and my metric number is A20A1377. Today I am going to present about the correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is a statistical approach for calculating the link between two variables and measuring the strength of the linear relationship between them. So this is the scatter plot matrix for the price, weight and length 2. In the scatter plot matrix, graph 1 shows that length 2 against weight, and it's seen that the higher level of the length 2 and higher level of the prices of fishes. Graph 2 is plots of length 2 against price. There is no correlation between length 2 and price because it was decreased. Graph 3 plots weight against price. Generally, the higher the weight, the higher is the price of the fishes. And the second is, this is a correlations of the table. By using the SPSS system, we use Pearson correlation analysis. So the R values between price and length is 0.942, while weight and length 2 is 0.957, and the R value between price and weight is 0.990. And this is the model summary, which is the R square value is 0.981, which means 98.1% of the variation in price can be explained by weight and length. The Durbin-Watson statistic is 2.117. Durbin-Watson statistic is approximately 2, indicates no serial correlations. And that's all from me.
Well, I am Mona Chandrasekharan, metric number A21B275. Today I am gonna present about confidence interval. In statistics, a confidence interval is a range of estimates for an unknown parameter, defined as an interval with a lower bound and upper bound. The 95% confidence level is most common, but other levels are sometimes used. By using the SPSS, our price of fish capture result for 95% confidence interval as shown that the lower bound mean is 132.9478 and the upper bound mean is 212.8962. Simplification level is 0.05 and it can calculate by someone with confidence interval percentage. Example, 1 minus 0.95 equals to 0.05, same as 5%. The answer for the lower bound mean is 132.947 and the upper bound mean is 213.8962. Signification level is 0.05 and it can calculate by the SPSS. by using Z-curve formula, the simplification level 0.01 with using Z-table. That's all. Thank you.
Price modeling is the general form of multiple linear regression equation as follows: if y equal to b0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2, which is the price, equal to b0 plus b1, which is the weight, and b2, which is the length 2. x1 refers to the weight while the x2 is referred to the length 2. From the multiple regression equation is 13.269, a constant or intercept y which reflects the number of the fish when the length 2 and the weight is 0. Next, b1 refers to the weight of fish, which is 1.021, while b2 refers to the length 2 of fish, which is 0.945. Therefore, for every single unit increase in the weight, the price of the fish also will increase 1.0121, and the length 2 of fish is still the same. Other than that, every unit increase in the length 2, the price of the fish will fall 0.945, while the weight of the fish is still the same. The value of the VIF is less than 10. There is no problem of multicollinearity.
Statistics help us in understanding data better because unorganized raw data might cause confusion. Based on this report, IBM SPSS shown better and accurate result compared to manual calculation. However, both methods can be used and applied in our daily life.